Hey, I'm David. In this video, I will show you how to create a dependent drop-down list. What it means by that? I will show you an example. When I choose the state for California, and you will show the city is just California, Los Angeles. But when I choose the list from the Texas, now you see your Dallas and Houston. And how to do this? I will show you three methods with different data. And I click new one. So how to create a drop-down list by state? Let's click the cells you want. Just click data to data verification. Click here and setting. Change any view to list and click here to choose the two states, California and Texas. Click buttons, click OK, and you show it's a California and a Texas. You can choose in the drop-down list. And how to create? When the data you state is the top L, so select this area. Move your mouse to formulas to create from selection. Click here and you will find there are three options. Please check top rows. What it means? If you click here, we will click two names by California and the text rows. They are the top rows, so the name will be named by this top rows. Okay, let's click OK. Then you can see the name manage. Here you have California and Texas. But when the data is I delete it all. But if the data was the California and the city was here, and so how to create? To select this area, create from selection and check in this left column. Left column means here and OK, and you will see the name range California and text. When you create this one, okay, so this is E7. The cell name is E7, so we select F7 to F12 to formula and data to data verification, and setting choose the list. In the source, we need to type the formula indirect, indirect. Select E7 and button F4. Here you will see there's no dollar symbols. So let's click OK. Here is a message log box. The source, yes. So when I choose the California, you will see the California. When I choose the tester, you will see the test. Okay. Here what I show like this or like this. Or sometimes the data is state is one column and the city is another column. So how to create? So select text. So it's difficult for a beginner. Okay, select here. I'll select here. We want F4 to F12 data implication. So select list. So in list measures, we show with the type list or FFSET. So click here. All the cities dot up the cells up all the cities here and common match. So click E4, E7 plus enter the F4 buttons in your keyboard. Commons, select here, state common 0. 0 is exactly match. Comment, like two comments, and COUNTIF. Click all the states, comment E5, E7, and left one, common one. Okay, now you will see the whole formulas. Let's click OK. I will see the Houston, and you will see the California. Yeah. When I change texture, now you will see there's 4 options. It's depending what's the raw data. So it's very difficult for you, and the state is offset. I will see you offset this one to match, match match. This one go for this one 0 to count if. This one. Okay, 0. And you will see there was 2 options. Yeah. When I choose this one, the options is changed. It's how to create a dependent down list in 2 ways. The second way is really difficult for beginners. So the most videos will show the first one. So if you help you, so there's attention, please. If you was one class like this, one class, we change this one data formulas, like create from selection and the left corners. Click OK. You will see a name range. The name range, which one? If if the cells will begin with numbers symbols, then will be an underline in the name. So you will see it's an underline. If you can't delete it, it will be error. So the system's Excel will be 8 underline before your name. Click OK. So how to do when I do this one is click here. So when we click the cells to the data, to the data implication, so list, click here to the INDIRECT indirect. So you need to press this one. Okay, left. So okay, the indirect will not work again if you name begins with the numbers and other symbols. So my advice to you is don't create by this like this with the numbers, with the something else symbols as specials in Excel, just with the letters. Okay.